Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and I'm back again with another video. A couple of weeks ago, I showed you guys how I straightened my natural hair. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I washed it. And also, we're going to see whether or not I got some heat damage, because that's one thing I was very afraid of when I straightened my hair. We're going to start off with sectioning my hair. I'm going to start off by sectioning 2 parts in the front and 4 parts in the back. My hair gets pretty thick once it's wet. So it's best when I section my hair off because I'm able to thoroughly wash my hair and I know that my hair is fully cleaned. Last week I showed you guys how I made this Ayurvedic shampoo bar. I will link the card on the top and below just in case you missed it, but that's what I'm going to be using to wash my hair. I'm going to start off with wetting that one section and then I'm going to apply the shampoo bar to my hair, which I usually start off with the scalp first. So I'm going to part my hair, I'm going to apply the shampoo bar to my scalp, I'm going to rub that in, continue to part, rub it in, part, rub it in. And then once I feel like I've gotten all of my scalp in that one section, then I'm gonna add the shampoo bar to my hair shaft. Once I'm done, I'm gonna lather it all up, making sure that my hair is nice and clean. When you see the lather, you know it's cleaning, and look at the defined curls. I'm gonna rinse my hair and then I'm gonna repeat the same process. If you're wondering how long your bar will last, so for me personally, with the thickness of my hair, 1 bar does last me 2 washes, and that's with me literally doing this method, rinsing my hair, doing the method again. So it did give me 2 washes, and in my last video I showed you guys that I made 2 bars. So if you're checking that video out and you know how often you wash your hair, then you can make your recipe according to how often you wash your hair. But here I'm just showing you guys that once I'm done with each section, I like to just twist it away just so that I know that that's done and I can move on to the next section. Like I said before, I did rinse my hair, I washed it, rinsed it again, and then now I'm going to apply a clay mask to my hair. The clip that you're gonna see, just excuse it being dark. I was using natural lighting and it did the sun started to set as I got to the front of my hair after doing the clay mask. So I do apologize that the clip is done, but this is just me here just applying the bentonite clay to my hair. And the reason why I personally did that after washing my hair is just because I just came from having my hair heat styled. I used a lot of heat in my hair and I love to add a clay mask to my hair because I feel like it gives it extra tender loving care. So that's the reason why I added a clay mask. You don't have to do that. I just did that because, like I said, I just came from just applying stupid amount of heat to my hair. And then I just used the remaining of the clay to just put on my face because it's amazing for your face as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shower. And now that the shower is done, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out. I had to run out and put the light on so you guys can actually see me now because it's like fully dark outside. But I'm gonna apply this towel cap to my hair that I purchased from Target. I will link everything below. Anything that I use, it'll be linked below. And now it's time for me to go ahead and moisturize my hair. But before I do, I wanna give you guys, of course, a texture shot and just show you guys how moisturized my hair looks. My hair was not stripped, it was well defined. I know it was defined due to the clay mask, but it was defined more as you saw when I was shampooing my hair. But I'm just giving you guys some texture shots. I am so stoked that my hair did not get not 1 itty bit of heat damage. Oh, So amazing. All right, so I'm going ahead of myself. So right here, I'm just applying my aloe juice to my hair, and of course my Haitian castor oil, which I sell on my site, hairdelacreme.com, if you're interested. I'm gonna apply that to my scalp. Personally, I feel like adding Haitian castor oil to my hair has benefited my hair so much. It's gotten thicker, and also it is growing so well. And then I'm gonna apply my Shebe hair butter, which I feel like also is thickened my hair strands, because I'm a fine textured hair, but I feel like my hair is just getting super thick. So I'm just gonna melt the hair butter in my hands, and then I'm gonna use the praying hand method to apply it to my hair. And then I'm gonna follow up with detangling my hair using this Curly Hair Solutions brush that I purchased off of Amazon, working my way from the tips all the way to the roots. I don't know about you, but I personally love the way my hair looks when it's freshly washed. Like, my twist looks so juicy. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists out and put my hair into a ponytail. The reason why I had it twisted up is because I was moisturizing my hair in sections, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair in a ponytail for the week. Because my hair is so thick and it's really hard for me to just brush everything into a sleek ponytail, I'm just gonna do the back section first. I'm gonna actually brush the back section, put that in a scrunchie, work the sides, and then work the front. And that's just like the only way I can get my hair into a nice, neat ponytail. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be showing you here. Lastly, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of Eco Styler gel just to make my ponytail a little bit neater. I usually don't add gel to my hair, I just tie it down, but just for the sake of the video, just to make it look nice and neat, I'm just gonna add it. And here's the final result. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my wash routine. And if you have any questions, you can leave it below. If you enjoyed it so much, make sure you share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.